is a Rhino Pro. This one is another pin in the ring finger layout, pretty similar to my Theorem Pearl. This was another one that I did not want, and my PSO said to get it. It's a very good shape and ball, and I got some really high scores with it. Symmetrical. Let's see what we can do. That hook It is weird rolling a white ball down the lane. It looks weird. The other only white ball that I have is an Arctic Vibe. Yeah, it's different. And since I bowl at Napa, they keep their lanes pretty clean. Not a lot of oil here, so the ball doesn't get super dirty, which I like. About the Rhino Pro is it just pushes pins aside. If you don't hit it right, it pushes them to the side. I've had very unique strikes with this ball. It's very forgiving, let's put it that way. I got some strikes that I shouldn't have gotten, a lot of them too. Like that, that should have been a split, easily a split. So I own 2 Brunswick balls. My first Brunswick ball that I owned was about 13 years ago. It was the Brunswick C Series Ultimax. So I own the Rhino Pro and the Mesmerize. That was a strike. It hits pretty hard when it does strike. Mowing them pins down. Good, I mean, that ball just throws pins everywhere. A sloppy hit. And somehow it knocked down Rhino. All right, 10th frame. Telling you, if you hit it wrong, it still strikes. This is one of the better Brunswick balls in my opinion. Better B7 balls out there, especially for the price. I think it's like 150, 145, something like that.
Lucky you, bro. We got me.
So I usually bring a Rhino out when it's end of the league or end of my practice night. Like tonight I'm practicing, I'm gonna do 9 games, so 3 games with each ball that I bring. And so I'll usually save this one for the last. Usually it ends up doing pretty well. Okay. So game 1 with the Rhino Pro 225. Would have been a clean game minus the first frame.